What's up? You checking out the frequent driver? I might as well be the frequent driver now, all these cars, right? This here is the WLToys Wild Warrior, and this is a 1/10 scale 4x4 truck. Pretty awesome if you ask me. Really liking the look of this thing. There's a little guy inside there and all, and it just seems like a really nice rugged off-road truck. I have been driving this thing around, playing with it. It comes with a really nice transmitter. This is the transmitter here. Nice computerized transmitter. And it does have model storing in here. So you can set up different models and all. I'm not sure how many, but I know you can do more than one, because I've been playing around with this. It has a little joystick right here. Really nice transmitter. The joystick presses in as well. It clicks when you press it in to select things, and you can navigate around up, down, left and right with it. And there's a bind button here, a back button. This is the on and off power switch here. I'm not sure, there's 3 positions. I'm not sure why, but there's an off position here and an on position all the way at the end. But there's a spot in the middle that says power, and you can stop in that middle position. I have to read up and try to find out online maybe as to what this middle position does. But you can like program expo and everything in here, trim. There's auto braking system selection here. You can like change the parameters of that and all. It has dual rates. You can like dial down with whichever channel you want. You can just dial it down or turn it all the way up. Really nice radio here. We have an auxiliary switch here, so it is a 3-channel radio. And here we have the drive trim there. Auxiliary trim is right here. And I'm not sure what this is right here, but pretty awesome transmitter here. And this comes with a 2200 milliamp hour 2S LiPo. It might be able to take a 3S LiPo. Not sure. I've been running it with the stock LiPo there. Has a DIN connector on there. Pretty hard to get this canopy off here. You have to remove a bunch of screws. Well, there's actually 4 underneath, and then there's 2 screws, I believe, on the sides that you have to remove. Anyhow, no body pin set up here where you can easily access what's underneath the hood. It does have oil-filled shocks, so as you can see, not a lot of bouncing around with this thing. So pretty nice. Oil-filled shocks here. Independent suspension here for all the wheels and all. 1/10 scale. 1/10 scale. Let's check this thing out, see how it runs. No on and off switch on this one, guys. Well, not that I'm aware of. I haven't found the on and off switch. And so I did dial down the rates here. I dialed down the steering channel because this thing was flipping over, and I dialed the speed down a little as well. Let this car go by. Okay, so let's bring this thing over. So this is the top speed I have currently. I know it's pretty slow, but when you turn the rates all the way up, the top speed isn't much faster than this, but it is noticeably faster than this, and it actually flips over. And so I dialed down the steering and the speed in order for me to be able to drive this thing full speed and make turns. And it looks pretty cool when it's turning. And I did manage to flip it over. I guess I'll probably have to dial down that steering a little. I don't think I want it much slower than what it is now. Pretty nice torque with this thing. It's a really nice climber. I was wondering about cutting the springs on the shocks in the rear to make it not sit up so high there. Not sure if you can adjust it, but trying to get rid of that wheelie that it does only on one wheel. I had another WLToys model that does the same thing. I think it's the 12428. That one does the same thing. So let's look at reverse here. This is the brakes. So the brakes are pretty. Oh, you can adjust the brakes as well. You can make them softer or stronger. As you can see, this thing has no problem rolling right over things. Let's actually take it over here and see if we can climb up the side of this curve here. See if we can climb up the curve there. I think we can get it. Yep. So really nice off-roading with this thing. Oh! And of course you're not supposed to run into it head on that like that at that speed. Let's see if we can get back up there. Yep. So pretty neat. Let's see if we can take it over to the rocks over here. See if we can go up this little pile here. Yep, it seems to be making it up these rocks, no problem. So it makes it to the top. Oh, trying not to flip over here, and I flipped over anyway. So nice little truck here. It's the WLToys Wild Warrior. Thanks for watching. See if they can make it down the steps.